everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys had like that little montage, just a little throwback style, how I used to film back when I had the GoPro. So it's been a minute, but yeah guys, we today are going to Panther Motors meet at FIU. And yeah guys, I had to make a quick stop to get some Starbucks. I got a passion tea lemonade because it's hot and I don't want really coffee now. It's like 98 degrees outside. Well, that's what the car says. It's 98 degrees outside, so it is hotter than... yeah, it's hotter than hell. But yeah, guys, hopefully today we're gonna be inside the garage. Well, we are gonna be in the garage, but hopefully we're not outside on the exposed sun. Because if we are, I'm gonna be leaving with a sunburn. And yeah, so guys, let's get to the meet.
Yo, I'm hijacking you, dog. I'm hijacking you. So we're gonna expose what he's got under hood. Damn, look at those drift stitches, bro. Hey, who did this, man? Shut up, I did. Who did this? Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Damn. Oh, look, no, look, he's got some red, so he's obviously fast.
Oh, he's fast.
Oh, is that carbon fiber?
It's real carbon, actually.
Damn, dude. Oh, he's got a lot of it too. Oh, bro. Mishimoto. Damn. Moto Scorpio killing it. Oh, this is actually smart. Well, you know, there's not really much to make fun of. You're gonna crack the radiator. Huh? You cracked the radiator? Crack the radiator.
Why? What do you mean?
My car for a week. You gotta readjust it.
Oh no, that's how it is. I mean, it's like that because my car's in an accident. It was in an accident.
You gotta somehow figure out how to push this back a little bit. You're gonna start vibrating the fuck out of you.
So I'm hijacking the vlog. What's going on? So it's Nor.tm and Moto Scorpio. I don't know. There we go. All right. Oh, you know, actually, I've never been in your car, dude.
It's nothing much.
Oh, whoa, hold up. Gotta expose this. What the? Oh, what the hell is that? This looks like Pikachu, like fucking shocked your car.
You know what happened? That's how I was changing my dash. So what happened?
But I'm not gonna lie, I was in the market for one for a while, so whatever. I'm gonna get the vlog back to Moto Scorpio. Make sure you subscribe to me. Like, what a real guy, man. All right, let's transfer. You ready? I'm gonna throw it. 1, 2, 3.
But yeah, guys, as you guys can see, we're finally at the meet. Ray, I don't know if that video that he filmed was out of focus. At least when I got the camera, it was out of focus. So who knows? But yeah, we got driven 17s Mustang out here. Ray, aka Nor Gang or Nor TM. Here we got Gabe's Camaro. Hopefully gonna be doing a review one of these days. I heard that. This man's right there. God, this thing's gorgeous. Oh my God. Jesus.
There goes the warranty.
Battleship. I put his Instagram there too.
Oh yeah, that was.
This thing's gorgeous. What? Oh, I'm gonna go deaf. Ooh, I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's a popo. Yeah, right? That ain't good. Let me just wait to see if he pulls up this.
He's not coming in.
Oh.
We're good. We're good.
Oh. Alright, bye-bye. Drift around the Camaro. Boy, if you don't get your Honda sounding ass. Oh, now he's gonna take our fun.
Thanks, George.
God damn it, George.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Why are you revving so much like a Honda?
So I'll just do it like next time outdoors.
Ah, you failed. Oh, he's coming for you. Don't worry, your car's fine. For now. Just like that, the meet's over, we're all heading out. I know it's probably gonna be a short vlog, but yeah guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Like, subscribe, share, comment, do all that type of stuff. Until next time, peace out.